Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the race of a person in an image that you're trying to use. So for example, let's say you download an image that is a Caucasian or an Asian, but you're trying to design for the African audience. So it means that the stock photos you're supposed to be using are supposed to convey Africans, so how do you fix that? Do you start looking for a separate image? Well, I'm going to show you how to change the race of the person while maintaining the background of that image and every other thing, right? So it's pretty simple. And before I show you how to do it, I'm just going to show you an example. So if you look at this image, it's predominantly Africans, right? The guy and this woman. But if you look at this lady here, you can see that she's Caucasian, right? So I wanted to use this for a design, but because of her, I was designing for a completely African brand, and I felt that it might be a problem using her, and I love this image. So what did I do? I just changed only her, and if you look at this, you can see that this is now an African woman. It's no longer the Caucasian woman. Look at the Caucasian woman here, but now in this one is an African woman, right? This is another example. So this is an image that I found. I think I got it on Splash, right? And I wanted to use it for a cover, right? A playlist cover for my Spotify playlist. I designed the cover for it. So I didn't, it's a Caucasian guy, as you can see, but I wanted it to be like an African. So not only did I change the race, I also changed the gender, right? So I changed it to an African woman. And if you look at this, you see we have the background is the same, the position is the same, but I've changed it from a Caucasian man to an African woman. Now if you look at the hands are still white, right? But the way I use the image, you won't really notice the hands, right? I kind of cropped it out. Okay, so basically that is basically I want to show you guys, and let's get right into it. And now even this mistake with the hands, all we have to do is reprompt it and tell it to change the hands, and it would have changed it, right? But anyway, so it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to Gemini AI. I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you can just jump into it if you're not familiar with Gemini AI. Click on this plus button and click on upload files, and then go to wherever the picture is in your computer. Mine is right here. I downloaded it from on Splash, and when it loads, while it's loading, all you have to do is type change the race of the subjects to an African. Right, so change race of the subject to an African, and you can also even make it more specific. You can change it to a man, but I don't want it to be a man, so I'll just stick with African, and click on these tools and click on create images, and then click on this arrow to submit it, and then all we have to do is to wait for it to load. All right, so give it a couple of minutes, not minutes, seconds actually. It's that fast. It is that fast. And boom, it has changed it. So I'm going to download it, and I'm going to open both so that you can actually see the difference. Right, I'll open this as well. All right, can you see both of them? This is the original one on the right hand side, and this is the one we used AI to do. The exact same background, the same lighting, shadows, the same camera angle, everything maintained. The only thing that was changed was the race of the person. So can you see how to do it, right? This is amazing. Like you could it makes so much sense, and I don't know how to explain how happy I am that I figured this out, but it has really made my workflow so much more easier. Instead of looking for it, once I find a picture that I love, it no longer matters the race of the subject in the picture. I'll just bring it into AI and change it, right? So I hope you guys learned something new, and if you did, let me know in the comment section. If there's any other videos you'd like me to make, also let me know in the comment section. Share this video to other designers and other creators that will benefit from it, and of course I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.